Hi, to transfer files from the Samsung Galaxy A34 to your PC or laptop, as a first step, take the charging cable which goes in a compact with the device. This is Type-C cable, by the way, and connect it to the laptop, and other end plug in the phone like that. So now we can see the name of the device right here and its content. So we would need to go in its internal storage. Here, select any folder which includes some files. In my case, it would be this download one because I have here this cute pic of Sabrina Carpenter. So now let's copy it. For that, I'm going to use the combination of Ctrl+C. And now we need to select any folder on our laptop to transfer this file to this folder. For example, we can go in the downloads and paste it here. So let's use the Ctrl+V to paste it. And here, I'm gonna select copy and replace because I copied this photo and pasted here earlier before. So yeah, here it is. Let's just open it to make sure. Yes, that is definitely Sabrina. So everything is working correctly. And you can do just the same thing but reverse. You can select some files from your laptop and transfer it to the phone. For that, let's select the pictures, for example, go in the screenshots and select this screenshot. Let's copy it using the Ctrl+C, and now I'm gonna go in my phone's internal storage. Just take a look at the left side. I'm showing you this here. And now let's select any folder, for example, documents. And using Ctrl+V, we can paste this screenshot, and yes, it appears right here. So when everything is done, we can simply unplug the phone. And now let's check whether this file, the screenshot, appeared on our phone. For that, I'm gonna open this Files app. And here we would need to select our folder, which was documents or downloads, I don't remember. And yeah, we got here our screenshots. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.